this is Kyle from Vacuums R Us in Fort Collins, Colorado. And today we're going to be going over how to replace the hose in your Shark rocket power nozzle. And I'll show you the steps. To begin, we're going to be moving these tabs. Then there's going to be 8 screws. 2 here, 1 there, 1 here, and 2 on each side. Remember, the long one goes right here. All right, so once that is all done, you're going to flip it over, pull up, remove. There's a little clip, and the power light will be here. Then from there, the hose is missing, but with the hose, you're going to be pulling up and out. Usually, if it's hard, you'll need a little screwdriver. Then from there, grab the glue, which we do have link in bio, and same with the hose. Glue around the edges. Thread it in to where it's tight. Then repeat for the other side. That's where this piece comes in. Screw that on. Sometimes it won't go in, so you need to do a slight turn. Then feed it back through. Make sure the head is in place. Also, there's a wire clip right here. Do not let that come out of place or you will break a wire. Then after that, it's just repeat. Put back, put down. You'll hear a couple clicks. Flip over, put in your screws. Then last one, long one, right there. Then after that, it's as simple as just checking the brush where you're putting everything back in. And it's done. Shark nozzle back together without a broken hose.